Oh, I think the racetrack telephoned ahead that I was coming. Hunt, James Hunt.
Are you alright?
Absolutely fine.
We all thought you'd been in an accident.
I have. If you call a friendly disagreement with another driver an accident.
What did you disagree about?
It's none of your business.
Sorry.
His wife.
Why? What did you do?
Nothing. Only what she asked me to do.
Which was?
I'd be happy to show you if you like.